It is Tuesday, the 25th of April. Is that right? Yes, I think so. Anyway, I have a new yarn that came in while I was gone, and I saw it today, and it is so beautiful. And Ray found a free pattern. Thank you very much. A free pattern for one skein. What? One skein. Amazing. The yarn is Prisma from Araucania. And it is a blend of linen, cotton, and viscose. And look at these colors. It's a self-striping, not a gradient because it's not all the same color, but it changes colors, long runs of color. So gorgeous. 273 yards. Amazing. On a, it's 23 to 26, so it's sport weight. Perfect. So excited about it. And it is $24. $24 for 273 yards. Amazing. Now, let me show you the scarf. So this is an example of the scarf done in Prisma. Look at this. Is that beautiful or what? Self-striping, changes color. She did her rows, her eyelet rows. As soon as the color changed, she did an eyelet row. So every section is its own color. It just takes a little creative knitting while you're doing it. It is a free pattern called the Age of Brass and Steam Kerchief. So these are all done in solids. She did hers, obviously, but she did she added eyelet rows. As soon as the color looked like it was going to change, she added an eyelet row and then did that color and then added another eyelet row. That is why it looks so amazing. Not hard. All about the yarn. Love, love, love it. So, one ball. Thank you very much. Amazing. So let's look at these colors. This one is gorgeous. They're all Spanish names, so I don't think I'll tell you what they are, but this is blues and pinks, very subtle, kind of pastel-y, down into another turquoise, kind of makes the loop. Then there's this one. You know I love this one. This is yellowy green to lavender to purple to orange, and then back to the green and the little lavendery gray. Gorgeous. Love it. Oh, I love this one. Look at this. Green earth tones. So beautiful. Greens to orange to terracotta. Then it goes into more orange and then into purple, dark reds. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. Woo! All right. Again, is this a different one? Let me see if these are the same color. Nope, those are the same color. I thought they were. All right. This one, look. Gorgeous. Peach into gray, or gray into peach, into yellow, to dark rusty, into gray, blue-gray, into kind of a beautiful lavendery purple. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This one, turquoise, gray, pink, little pink, into the turquoise, into lavender, gold, going into pinks, going into rose, and back to the blue. Ooh, so pretty. And this one, how happy is this? Looks like spring. Bright green into pale green, lavender, going into blue, going back, getting all the way into goldy, my favorite green, and then back to the bright green. Oh, so pretty. Love, love, love it. All right. Amazing. 2, 4, 6 colors. Got to do it. Free pattern. And one skein for $24. And you're done. What? Fabulous. Cotton, linen, and viscose. All right. I think that's it. I am working on some projects, you guys. Getting pretty excited. Remember, 5th Saturday, get your coffee, your mimosa, your pen, your paper, your credit card. Call us, your phone. It'll work. It'll be great. That's this coming Saturday. And then there's other good stuff coming up later in the summer. Lots to tell you about. Excitement. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow.